What could we do next? This is the perfect idea. We go into an art museum. I gotta go tell Raindrop Ray. Raindrop Ray! Now I'm finished. Close the goddamn door! Huh? Where's Mr.6? He's not here. There he is. Hello, Raindrop Ray. I have to type him because his ears are on water. I've just wanted to tell you that I bought a new taxi. Taxi? So now I'm going to get in. Raindrop Ray, I'm sorry for that. It will never going to happen anymore. I promise. So where do you want to go? In the art museum. Okay, please clip on. You too. Attention! Okay, now it's alright, I guess. Holy cow, the tape! You got it into your target. Thank you. Ray, get off. He's running to the art museum. Wait for me. I'm excited to see the art museum. The art museum! It's so beautiful. So many paintings. I like that the most. I'm going to take it. Now I have to pay attention that nobody catches me. I've just thrown the money on the ground. Here. Bye bye.
What did I hit?